Hey, this is Ronald from Math Skills University. And this video is for educational purposes only. Today we are going to sample the funky Getdown. This is what the AI version of that bass sounds like. Now here's the real bass. Goes A, E, do do do, hammer on, same. Same thing here, except here we're going E, A, E, A, E. First and foremost, I like to thank Retro Groovy Vibes, and to hear the original song, check out Retro Groovy Vibes, which I link below, and they also have 3 other channels which you should check out. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Peace.